Peanut, do you want to go out? Yes, she says, I do. Oh, here comes another one. Come on, Arbuckle. All right, here we go. There's Arbuckle with his new haircut. And away we go. Hooray. Come on, Arbuckle. Out. There they go. The herd. It's a beautiful Canada day. Now, Stu, stay on the property. Hot out here again. Oh, my catio. Now, I gotta keep an eye on these. There's one. Usually good for a few minutes before they start running away. 2, 3. See where the other one went over here now. I don't see him. Oh, there she is, hiding under the chair. Hello, Pumpkin. I'll get down below him so he won't get past me. There's Arbuckle up there. God, it's hot here. I don't know how warm it is, but I might put the sprinkler on. You and Stu? Eating Daddy's lawn, eh? That's a patch of weeds there. I gotta get rid of that. Been battling the crabgrass. Is coming along good. Keep an eye on Arbuckle up there. A few little clouds going by. Mostly blue sky here. All right, I'm gonna deal with these and I'll get back to filming later. And there's Jam Jam, hiding in the front bed. Jam Jam, get out of there. Jam Jam, get out of that. Come on. Up here chasing chippies. I don't think I filmed this in a while, but there's the front bed. A lot of hostas. And there's the other side of it. This all needs to be redone. I got some nice little lilies and things coming up. But flags up for Canada Day. Keep an eye on her. There's our banner because of Samantha graduating high school. And there's my main flag right over the garage. Whew. God, it's hot out here. All right, Jam, time to get downstairs, backyard. Can't even speak. Where is she? She might have went down. I better get down there. Ah, there she is. What are you doing up here? Come on, keep going, get going. You know you're not allowed up here. Come on, you. Come on. Come out of there. Hiding in the jungle. Yes. Come on, down you go. Get going, wide load. Come on. Come on. There she goes. Get going, you kid. There's Peanut. That's a good pussycat. Anyway, they'll be good now for a little while. I gotta set up the sun chairs, set up the patio, open the pool, water the flowers later. Look at the daisies are coming, look. Nice. I had to pin this guy up, he broke off in the storm. He's almost done, but I pinned him up anyway. There's our new guy. Gay feather, it's called. Cool. And there's the bed. Looking like a jungle. Oh, look, this guy's in bloom. This little thing. Look at that. A little flower. See if I can make it focus on it. There you go. Nice. That's the first one of those we've seen. That's our sage. Our hibiscus is growing. Look at the size of it. It was just a stick a little while ago. And this guy puts up yellow flowers and they keep getting eaten as soon as the flowers come. This guy's gone back now to Virginia spiderwort. But here's the scene for Canada Day 2025. Happy Canada Day to you. We got the pool open. Now we're just relaxing, enjoying Canada Day. Wherever you are, happy Canada Day too.
Aww. Look at the little baby in the pool. Oh gee. Oh my gosh. Look at him, the big baby. Oh God. Oh my.
All right, got the barbecue going. Got some sausages on for appetizers. It's gonna be nice. Just getting started on those. There's the sauce and all that. It is beautiful here today. Kids just went in. Marnie's still out there. Say hi, Marnie.
Hello. Hi.
Marnie's still out there celebrating Canada Day. I was in the pool earlier, splashing away. We got the bird feeders all stocked for another couple days. Animals are going nuts. There's no chippies and stuff down there now. So we are celebrating Canada Day. Wherever you are, hope you're celebrating it too. Cheers. There we just got our second fire of the year going. Courtesy of Mr. Phillip. There's some green. I can see the green color in there. We put in 3 of those color packets, so there's one right in the middle. You can sort of see green flames.
Are they all green?
They're all 3 the same, so they should do the same thing. There's the one over there, looks kind of blue. It's not like a firework or anything. It's like a subtle color change to the flames, right? Where's the other 2? I'm surprised the other 2 aren't going. I only see the one. They run for quite a while.
It's just like in a straight line.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh,
Yeah. That's where you kind of get in close and treat it like a little hose kind of deal, right? We'll run this side and do it. Look. Just treat it like you're trying to almost, get in real close to the fire, but, right? There you go. There you go. See? It's not that hard. You just got to respect it, that's all. There, that's going better now. So if she starts to die off, that's what you got to do. Just get her going. You can smell that. It smells like lighter fluid Dad used to use with the charcoal. Time to roast some marshmallows.
That's a tiny one. It looks very small.
This one has dwarfism.
Captain,
Oh my
come here.
Oh
This
my.
is Peter Dinklage.
It is-
Peter
Helen
Dinklage
Keller,
is
Joe?
on my face.
Hey,
Helen
don't
Keller
insult
was
Peter
blind.
Dinklage.
I love Peter Dinklage. I love him in Pixels. That's my favorite movie.
Really tight jeans.
So she could speak with
You come across the
So
table
he
and
could
eat
read
you.
her lips.
Oh, he was great in Elf, yeah.
It's becoming golden brown. There we go.
Comes into our family every year at Christmas time.
It's got a light skinned marshmallow.
Is he the one that's in
Light-skinned.
Game of Thrones, right?
Yeah, Peter Dinklage. Yeah, he
That's
was.
awesome. He's my favorite.
I can't remember his character's name.
Peter Dinklage is
What's
really
his name?
Tyrion.
Tyrion Lannister. That's right.
He's my favorite on Game of Thrones.
Philip, you're gonna burn yours. There they go. They're on fire. Look.
Ay, ay, ay.
He's in
Oh
Pixels.
my! It's not the way to do it, man.
Once he gets it melted.
Wait, it's coming off. Feels so burnt.
who's rang from before.
Toronto Blue Jays. Get sponsored by Molson Canadian.
Yeah, please.
You only drink 10 a day.
He goes there and there's like all
Ah.
these beers and there's no Canadian
God.
there. And we're like Canadian.
There's a critic.
Canada.
I saw that they traded Mitch Marner on the TV.
Yeah, Las Vegas.
Anyway, our fire's
for
going
him.
good.
Why? Toronto's no good?
Yeah. But
There's the
Marner
moon.
can go on. Let's go.
Oh.
Look, there's Jack.
Always good.
All right.
Time,
Enjoying Canada Day.
time for change.
No team synergy.
Cheers.